In this video, how to create a progress bar using animation and media mat in Camtasia. First, draw a shape. Duplicate the shape to create a border. To create a border, change the opacity to 0, then increase the thickness. Resize the inner shape to fit within the border. Now, duplicate the inner shape and apply the media mat effect to this new layer. At this stage, you won't see any changes. This is how the media mat effect functions. The media mat effect simplifies masking the layers directly below it. Next, move the progress bar to hide it. Add a custom animation to the bar. Select the end keyframe and just the position to fully show the bar. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.